tag.
Secret ahead.
Hindi to tag.
Too slow.
That's karma.
Why did I say too slow?
Oh my god, bro.
Wrong.
You
Whoa, whoa,
almost got at the sewers. Die!
Oh yeah. Damn. I find you for the way to the. I found the way. No way. No. That's it.
Die, hintay.
You want
The battle is going to start in 3 minutes. 3 seconds pala. 3.
what?
Pag hindi ka matitigil ay
That ain't hot. To the best time.
3, 2, 1, go.
Never ever catch me.
Doy! Bilisan mo! Huwag ka mong kayang takbo!
What? What? You know what? Like I
Nag-record. Wala.
I'm gonna change to again.
Okay.
But I always do that.
You are America.
But you know, but I always lose at guns. I'm going to lose.
Boy, I'm not going to kill you. I swear.
Then get. you hit my feet. Good timing. Oh no.
Nakita ko ikaw! Ala ka mo. Doy, it was... Nagiyang pagpatay!
Hello.
Diyan pa rin sa baba.
What?
Diyan yun sa baba.
I hope I don't die. But where did I even enter?
At the sewers.
I didn't enter at the sewers. I'm gonna go outside. What? Huh? I almost shot myself.
You can shoot yourself.
Kidding you.
Doy, hintay din, Doy.
Can I just test the gun?
Okay.
I didn't.
Test it on others! Test it on the wall!
No way.
Ah!
It does
Yay!
nothing. It does nothing.
Yeah, I know.
At the after the wall. I almost got ya. You next, Siggy. You next. I'm gonna jump around so you're gonna hit me. What? What the hell, dude?
You missed!
Jumping around, round and round.
Shoot me.
What?
Shoot me. To set you up. Doy, kita mo ito? Doy, kita mo ito? Doy, kita mo ito?
No. No! Put it back.
Patayin ko ikaw if you don't hurry.
Wait, what did I pick the gun? It's red, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? It's invincible. Did I pick the machine gun?
Yeah.
Awesome. I said cool awesome.
Awesome.
Cool awesome.
Doy, mag-alis ka muna dyan.
Why?
Hintay.
Okay. But if you can, I will snap your ass. Did I say that out loud?
Yep.
I know you to kill.
Yep.
I'm gonna leave all you show up. I'm gonna leave all you
Doy,
show
dito,
up.
nandito ako.
Show up at my place.
Doy, dali na!
Magkapatay mo ako! That is how about my place.
Fine. Kita mo ito? Aray ko, nag-screen record ako. Sabay
ako!
Aray ko.
Let na ako!
Nalaglag ka pa rin.
Let na ako!
Ayoko, nalaglag ka pa rin.
Let ako!
Mm.
Kutub!
Machine gun.
I picked the snowball. Can I test the snowball?
Parin din yun.
What? Okay, guess what? This one is extra a climbing tool.
Yeah, I know. Oy, hanapin ko ikaw. Doy, tsaka may pangpatay secret tool dyan.
What? Where?
Ayan o.
What? Oh! Ate, come here.
Okay. Nansaan ka na? Dyan ka pala! Fine! Oh my god, you missed. You shot my gun.
You know what?
No.
This is instant bye-bye!
No. If
Right.
you won't stop doing that.
Wait. You got me at the foot.
Boy.
Yes. Wait a Does this have guns?
Yeah.
Not snowballs?
Yeah.
Yep.
Boy, hanapin mo ako. Laro tayo hide and seek. Kapag nakita mo ako, patayin mo at saka maging seeker ako.
Okay. But
Okay. The
Come on.
game rounds. The murderer is a seeker
wow!
and the innocent is a sheriff.
Wow! You tell about that.
Hanapin ko na. Doy, mag-count ka na.
What? Ako.
You can be anything.
What? Give me that.
Pwede ka din maging murderer as the seeker.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pwede yun natin. I can... Spatya! Spatya!
Kill me.
Wait a minute. Hold up! Let me do it! I didn't even test the snowball. By me!
Doy, ganito oh.
Okay. What?
Aray ko.
I already hit!
Nag-reload.
Final gotcha!
Ako na yung... Doy, ready or not, here I come.
I'm gonna be toy snow. Okay.
Nakita ko pa rin ikaw.
Wait! I'm staying at hiding, you know? Where does this
Okay,
come?
fine.
Wow. I feel like I ended here somewhere. Ah! Dayaka! Ako mas change na. Wow! Chill!
I finally got you!
You know I'm staying at hiding. I'm sleeping in a spot.
Namatay ka man! Doy, namatay ka man! Doy, tingin!
You die!
Yes, I know. Ay! Bakit ako? Sa may screen ko, ikaw namatay hapag...
Well, you do that. I'm gonna watch.
Sige, patayin mo ako.
Watching time.
Ano yan?
I'm a huge Marvel fan. My favorite
Hey,
heroes are
Boy
Doctor
Hintay.
Strange, Scarlet Witch, and Spider-Man. They're so cool.
Nanood
Doctor Strange
ka?
is easily my
Pinatay
favorite,
mo
though.
ko.
I would love flying around with the cloak of levitation and doing magic.
Pa!
Imagine how powerful I would be. Whee! According to my calculations, Doctor Strange isn't really as powerful as you might think. And for real, Doctor Strange's powers are so cool and unique. Also, his fight with Thanos was awesome, although he could have used the Time Stone to win the whole thing. Not to mention the Scarlet Witch's powers of magically killing people. Wait, is she a villain? I love destroying people. In cartoons, not in real life. I mean, seriously, did y'all see that scene from Multiverse of Madness where she kills everyone? That was amazing. I can do this all day. And of course, everyone knows Spider-Man's powers are cool. Look at me, I'm Spider-Man. Oh no, my spike flying, teleportation, and
Ako ready
phasing.
na.
Imagine it, traveling the world with your friends, and then when you're bored hanging out with them, you just teleport around. No more driving or flying or waiting in traffic. Everything would be so convenient. Unless you teleported inside someone. I don't feel so good. Not to mention flying. Say hello to freedom and goodbye to crisis.
Nag-chat ako!
Balls disappear and fly. I'd be much more unique than the other.
Ngayon, laro ka muna dyan.
Person is annoying. Yeah, he thinks he's
Paano
better
ako
than
tayo
you.
kayake?
They're not dead. They're just tired. I feel like everyone always wants the boring run-of-the-mill superpowers like flying and laser eyes. But here are some less talked about powers I would love. Element bending. Water is the best element, not to mention blood bending. Harry Potter magic. Avada Kedavra. The Force. Super intelligence. And being an Animorph. I almost forgot to mention some of my favorite superheroes. The Incredibles. Woo! I freaking love The Incredibles. Having a whole family of supers fighting together is just an awesome concept, and I love it so much. The soundtrack goes hard. I can't even handle it. The animation is amazing. There's great character design. The first Incredibles is a classic, and it's peak Pixar. I literally watched The Incredibles while my little brother was being born. It's a core memory. Bryson, come meet your new baby brother. Hey,
tapos
welcome
na.
to the world or whatever. Do you want to watch The Incredibles? I also love how in the first Incredibles they have no issues with straight up murdering people. They're just like me. Actually, though, look. He's dead, they're dead, that guy's really dead. Masterpiece.
Bakit malapit yung
I have some issues with
notification?
Incredibles too, but it's still amazing and I love it. I
Okay.
just love the classic Incredibles costume
ayaw
look.
ko
So,
yan.
with that in mind, I
Bakit
decided to
yan?
make myself into a superhero. Meet Super Bryce.